My name is Brian Byrne. I'm CEO of Ocular Limited in Ballina, County Tipperary. And we came to RTR looking for an experienced team of professionals who could build our instruments. It's a high precision instrument. It requires a lot of intricate assembly. A whole range of components go into this instrument. So we wanted somebody who was skilled in these areas and also who was able to give us the necessary support and technical assistance. So RTR look after all of the vendor purchasing and all of the assembly and components and the inventory. So they provide a rapid response provision of instruments. For us, it was quite obvious that RTR had the necessary skill sets and ability to become a trusted partner of Ocular. We're delighted that we're on that journey with RTR Electronics because we see them as willing, flexible partners who have energy, conscious of cost, deliver on time, and who can be relied upon to support us and our customers in all aspects of the delivery and operation of these instruments.